Today we're looking at the Wuben G5. Now this is a very compact EDC torch that can also go onto a webbing or pocket, very small and very compact, but also very rugged. So let's have a look. So inside, you get the torch itself, which is very small and very compact. Look at that. Inside you get a charging cable, lanyard, and your instructions. So as you see here, there is a lock and an unlock button. So your maximum output is 400 lumens. The beam distance will go 82 meters. And also the head is quite swivelly, so it can go 180. Let me just dim this down a little bit. There you are. So the measurements is 6.2 centimeters by 3.7 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. The weight is 52 grams. So you have the modes, you have the white and an RGB multicolor and a beacon. So we'll look at those in a second. I just want to show you the outside first. There is a handy pocket clip here. Now this clip, you pull it out, come around, and you can swivel it to different sides of the torch. So you have it where you had it, or you can have it on the back. So besides the adjustable clip, on the outside you have this dial, which I've shown. So it can maximum, and then you can have your minimum, which is there. It's kind of like a moonlit one. Its waterproofing is IP68. For the torch setting, move it on up, and then you have your USB-C charging there. So from this mode here of the torch being on, just hold the power button, and now you switch to the RBG mode. Again, you can cycle through the colors. I'll show you here. So there are 7 colors from here. There you are, blinking in red mode. And here is the other mode, which is the beacon. So if you want to play cops and robbers, there's another one. And now we're back to here. So to use it, you could use it as a normal torch like this. Ramp it up if you wanted to. It's very handy and very light. You can clip it onto your hat. You can clip it onto your molly, your webbing, chest, strap, whatever you want to do. Has a magnetic base. So you can hook it up to, maybe if you're working on your car, and then just move the light around to where you want to use it to, which is another ideal. Again, this is the Wuben G5. So I'm going to be testing this out now. This is more of an unboxing video that I just wanted to show you guys. So if you were going to attach it to your molly, you just clip it out, put it to the side here, and roll this forward. And then that way, if you're righty, the power button is just there, and so is the wheel. But again, very nice light, very compact and very light. Again, coming in at 52 grams. That's very nice. Let me know what you think. It does have quite a lot of features. I do like the wheel. Sometimes you don't want full brightness when you need it. You just want a little bit of light. The color modes are interesting as well. But again, let me know in the comment section what you think about this very compact EDC flashlight. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video.